Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Teacher Joan and today we're diving into week 4 of quarter 2 for grade 4. This week we're going to explore some exciting activities that will not only help you stay active but also teach you important health concepts. Learning competency. Participate in various physical and daily life activities to improve family health. Learning objectives. Number 1. Identify the physical activities of a healthy family. Number 2. Assess their own relationship with their family in doing physical activities. And number 3. Understand the importance of promoting a healthy family. Good morning, grade 4! Are you ready to jump, run, and dance your way to becoming stronger and healthier? Remember, every move you make helps your body grow and stay happy. Let's warm up those muscles, get our hearts pumping, and unleash our inner superheroes.
Left, right, up, down. Let's make the shape of a star. Arms out and legs apart. Let's make the shape of a ball. Take the knees to the floor. Star, ball, star, ball. Do it once more. Star, ball. Now, do you want to try it faster? You do? Terrific! Are you ready? Let's go! Star, ball, 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 star, ball.
Our topic is about benefits of physical activities on family health. For our explicitation, take note of the following questions. Number 1. What are the ways to prevent and control communicable disease? Number 2. How to break the chain of infection. For our work example, let's watch this video.
Amma, I'm back!
What did you learn in school today?
I learned how to fight! Let me teach you! F-I-G-H-T. Fight the spread of infectious disease. Wash your hands frequently. Kill the germs that you can't see. Immunize. Get your flu shot, you'll be fine. Go to the doctor if you're sick.
Stay at home to rest and sleep.
Tissues and masks are a must, cause fighting the spread is everyone's task. F-I-G-H-T. Let's F-I-G-H-T. Let's go! F-I-G-H-T. Let's F-I-G-H-T.
Question number 1. What is the video all about? Number 2. Who are the characters in the video? Number 3. What activities do they perform in the video? What is the video all about? Correct. The video shows a family singing about F-I-G-H-T or fight, an acronym that explains how to stop the spread of infectious diseases with simple steps. Who are the characters in the video? Correct. The characters are a mother, father, grandmother, and 2 kids. What activities do they perform in the video? Correct. They sing and explain the importance of frequent hand washing, immunization, going to the doctor, resting at home when sick, and using tissues and masks to prevent illness. Lesson activity. Diseases are frequently referred to as communicable or non-communicable. Communicable diseases comprise infectious diseases such as tuberculosis and measles, while non-communicable diseases are mostly chronic diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, cancers, and diabetes. The following are some ways to help prevent and control communicable diseases. Number 1. Maintain clean and healthy surroundings. Number 2. Ensure proper waste management. Number 3. Get rid of stagnant water at home. Number 4. Do not drink dirty and contaminated water. Number 5. Avoid eating street foods. Number 6. Avoid sharing your personal belongings with others as they can be a source of germs. Number 7. Increase your self-awareness by watching the news and staying updated about any outbreaks of common communicable diseases. Remember that preventing common communicable diseases is best done by breaking the chain of infection. Breaking the chain. To break the chain of infection and stop infectious disease spread, interventions can be directed at controlling or eliminating agents at the source of transmission, protecting portals of entry, increasing the host's defenses. Targeting one or more of these areas can help to slow or stop the spread of infectious disease. Stopping disease spread at the source may be an appropriate intervention for many pathogens found in a long-term care facilities. The first step at breaking the chain is to identify the offending pathogen. This will allow for treatment protocols specific to the disease-causing microorganism. Other interventions protect portals of entry. There are many ways that targeting the portal of entry can help to prevent the spread of communicable diseases. Examples include wearing proper PPE when you are knowingly exposed to a pathogen, mask, gloves, face shields, etc. Practicing hand hygiene consistently. Hand washing and using alcohol-based hand rubs. Isolating those who are infectious and minimizing contact. Filtering or changing the flow of air. Increasing the host defense allows for the body's immune system to fend off attacking pathogens before the person ever knows they have been exposed. Vaccination programs help the body to create antibodies to targeted pathogens before exposure. Prophylactic drug use for high-risk patients can help to mitigate the spread of disease by preventing a pathogen from gaining ground over the immune system. Some interventions attempt to prevent a pathogen from encountering a susceptible host. Week 4, Day 2. Learners' takeaways. For a group activity, write a tagline on how to prevent or break the chain of infection. You will be graded using the following criteria. For creativity, 5 points. For content, 15 points. For originality, 5 points. For a total of 25 points. These are some examples of the tagline. Stay clean, stay safe, break the chain of infection. Prevent germs, wash, mask, and stay well. Healthy habits today keep infections away. Together, we can shield ourselves. Let's fight infections. For our formative assessment, get your pen and paper. Short quiz, true or false. If the sentence is correct, write true. If not, write false. Number 1. It is okay to keep the stagnant water from around your home. Number 2. Avoid drinking contaminated water. Number 3. Wash your hands properly. Number 4. Drink 10 to 12 glasses of water a day. Number 5. Eat fruits and vegetables. Number 6. Street food is good for our health. Number 7. The news that you read in newspapers and on television is fake. Number 8. Stay away from anyone who is ill at all costs. Number 9. One of the best things to avoid being sick is to break the chain of infection. And number 10, maintain clean and healthy surroundings. Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1. It is okay to keep the stagnant water from around your home. The answer is false. Number 2. Avoid drinking contaminated water. The answer is true. Number 3. Wash your hands properly. The answer is true. Number 4. Drink 10 to 12 glasses of water a day. The answer is true. Number 5. Eat fruits and vegetables. The correct answer is true. Number 6. Street food is good for our health. The answer is false. Number 7. The news that you read in newspapers and on television is fake. The answer is false. Number 8. Stay away from anyone who is ill at all costs. The answer is true. Number 9. One of the best things to avoid being sick is to break the chain of infection. The answer is true. And number 10. Maintain clean and healthy surroundings. The answer is true. And now for your assignment. Answer the following. Number 1. Define locomotor and non-locomotor movements. Number 2. Give example movement for each type. And number 3. Write your answer in your notebook to be checked next meeting. Thanks for joining me today, Superstars! I hope you had a blast moving, learning, and discovering how to stay healthy and active. If you enjoyed today's activities, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more grade 4 MAPEH videos. See you next time! Bye!